Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's, and I'm looking at a Range Rover 4.4 TDV8. It's the V8 diesel engine. So this is going to be kind of a short, quick video because I'm already set up. But here's what we're looking at. I've already reset the codes, but they're coming back pending and intermittent. What's happened is he's had this at a quick fix, whatever you'd like to call them, quick fix service centre. And shortly after he's had a service, engine management lights came on. He's had the AA out to look at it, and it's been overfilled with oil. The AA has drained out the oil to the right level, but it has caused the DPF to get blocked up. So just getting the car raised up. So I'm using this Launch DPF cleaner, and it's mixed 50-50 with the deionized water into the DPF cleaning gun here. Now I'm going to come underneath the car. So just over here we have the DPF, and if you look at these pipes here, we've got the one that goes on front of the DPF, and if we follow it back along here, we can get this open. So we take off the DPF hose off there. So now we've connected up the DPF hose here on to the DPF pressure hose that we've taken off. Now we just squeeze the trigger. Get the fluid all pumped in. Have a little look under this. That's the fuel tank guard. It's completely rotten. This must have been around the seaside. So we need to get these grams back to 0. So now we need to go to special functions, go into the exhaust, and do a particle filter replacement. So now we've cleared the codes by doing the reset on the DPF. Now that the values are low enough. Now we've got the Soot at 0. So I'm taking on a test drive. Check that the boost is working. That's it, we are all finished. See you next time.